A coalition of groups has cautioned against interference of the tobacco industry in the operationalization of the Tobacco Control Fund. At a news conference in Abuja, the group warned that this could spell doom for the tobacco control law. And TVC News correspondent Joke Adisa reports.
In 2015, the National Tobacco Control Bill became a law in Nigeria. Section 8 of the Act establishes the Tobacco Control Fund as a necessary tool for the sustainability of tobacco control efforts in the country. Section 8, subsection 2, as well as sections 23 and 26, provide that annual budgetary allocation, gifts, donations, subvention, license fees, and proceeds of sale of forfeited items shall go into the fund. The goal is for implementing agencies to be able to execute interventions for the successful implementation of the nation's tobacco control policies. These Nigerians are working on tobacco control, and this news conference is to underscore the importance of adherence to the provisions of the law.
We are essentially alerting those that are concerned that that fund should be operationalized now so that we can have effective tobacco control activities and programs in Nigeria.
The limit to budgetary allocation that goes to the Ministry of Health, again and again we see that the budgetary allocations made available to the Ministry of Health seems to, is always below par, below what is expected. And tobacco control is such that we cannot afford to have the ministry always go cap in hand, to beg, to ask for resources.
Their group kicks against seeming interference of the tobacco industry in the operationalization of the fund.
As CSOs, we are having the feeling that the TI is interfering in the operationalization of this fund because, as we know, the process has started, but at a time it's as if it's stalled and nothing has been held, is neither here nor here.
Every effort should be made to ensure that the tobacco control is not undermined by the industry.
The group believes sustaining funding of tobacco control will help reduce the death and diseases associated with tobacco smoking. It therefore tasks the authorities to ensure timely kickoff of the tobacco fund in order to save lives. Joke Adisa, TVC News, Abuja.